नमस्ते, मैं हूँ उर्वशी अग्रवाल और आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर के बारे में विच हैज़ प्लेग मिलियंस ऑफ वुमेन अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉलिसिस्टिक ओवेरियन सिंड्रोम, दैट इज PCOS. It is a hormonal imbalance caused in a woman's body due to poor lifestyle. इस कंडीशन में द मेल हार्मोन्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड मोर इन द वुमेन्स बॉडी. दे सी हेयर ग्रोथ ओवर their face, their body, and also they have fertility issues. The hormonal imbalance also causes irregular menstrual period cycle in women. Also they see baldness. एक्सटेंसिव हेयरफॉल होता है उन लोगों को. एंड अगर PCOS लॉन्गर रन में रहा एंड यू डोंट नो अबाउट योर कंडीशन, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव डायबिटीज एंड हार्ट इश्यूज. सो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट द रीजंस why we get PCOS and also what lifestyle changes we can make, what foods we can avoid and include to cure PCOS with lifestyle. 1 out of 5 women have PCOS and 70% of the time the girl or the woman does not even know that she is suffering from PCOS. In PCOS, the woman's ovaries and reproductive organs are affected, and hormones like estrogen and progesterone, which are very much needed to have a regular menstrual cycles, are not produced or produced less or in disturbed quantity. Also, the ovaries produce a lot of male hormones because of which we get unwanted hair growth or baldness and all that conditions. The word polycystic means many cysts. In PCOS, we have small fluid-filled sacs growing in our ovaries. जो ये sacs हैं, they are called follicles, and each follicle has immature egg inside it, which does not mature during ovulation. Also, ये जो follicles है, they are converted into cyst, and that is the reason women suffer from cyst pain. They have lot of cyst inside their stomach, which then needs to be removed. इन द पास्ट हमने कभी नहीं सुना दैट हमारी दादी या नानी को PCOS है. सो क्या रीज़न है दैट इट हैज़ बिकम सो कॉमन बिटवीन यंग गर्ल्स एंड वुमेन हैविंग PCOS? एक रीज़न है सेडेंट्री लाइफस्टाइल, दैट वी आर नॉट रेडी टू मूव एट ऑल. दूसरा रीज़न है हमारा फूड, द जंक, द प्रोसेस्ड, द पैकेज फूड दैट वी ईट. वो लोग कुएं से पानी भरते थे, घर का सारा काम करते थे, कसरत करते थे, बट हम लोग अब कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. टू स्विच ऑन अ लाइट ऑल्सो वी हैव अ रिमोट कंट्रोल. सो वी आर लीडिंग अ सेडेंट्री लाइफस्टाइल. दूसरी चीज, दे यूज टू ईट फ्रेश फूड, बट वी आर 100% डिपेंडेंट ऑन पैकेज फूड. Also the sleep pattern, we have such erratic and disturbed sleep pattern which is causing so much of hormonal imbalance in our body. Also, the genetics, our genetics are disrupted, they are really bad, which we are passing on to the next generation and to the next generation. In PCOS, because of the hormonal imbalance, the woman's body's metabolism goes for a toss. यही रीज़न है कि द लेडीज एंड द गर्ल्स फाइंड इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू लूज वेट एंड आर रियली ओबीज व्हेन दे हैव PCOS. Also, the body is insulin resistant, and this is the reason doctors put them on diabetic drug, and also they have heart issues in a longer run, which because of which they have to take heart medicines also. So the cure is in our hands and we need to work for it. Nutrition plays a vital role in reversing PCOS. So you need to avoid all the junk, processed, packaged food, all the sugary foods like chocolates, pastries. You need to avoid eating in plastic containers as they mimic the male hormones. Also, you need to up your vitamin D supplementation. You need to take once in a week vitamin D sachet. Also, you need to start eating foods that are more plant based, that are wholesome, like nuts and seed, whole grains, fruits and veggies. You need to increase the complex carbs, that are millets, ragi, bajra, nachni, little millet, fox millets, all that in your diet. You need to see that you are sleeping well. You need to include yoga, meditation, things that decrease your stress level, your anxiety levels in your day-to-day routine. You need to drink a lot of water. And yes, you need to walk. You need to have those count of steps, maybe 5,000, 6,000, 10,000, to have movement in your life. so that the hormonal imbalance can be back into the place and you can reverse your PCOS without any medication. Namaste.